Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today I'm going to be doing a product demonstration for Varnail's nail polish remover. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. And for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So today, you guys, I'm going to show you one of my new favorite bottles from Varnail. This is the Varnail Gel Polish Remover. It's 15 milliliters. You open it up, it looks like some weird goopy mess, but this, my friends, is the magic that will remove your gel polishes off your fingers. And I'm talking about maybe a layer off your extensions, but if you do gel polish on your natural nails, this is what it's all about. So I have a set that I videoed previously, and I just wanted to demonstrate this gel polish remover on this set. I've filed it. It's been kind of already demoed with some other stuff. So the layers are not new. If you have a new set, you would just buff the top layer, the top coat off, the clear layer that you put on or whoever puts on. And that'll allow your nail, the gel polish underneath, to absorb this nail polish remover. This process is fairly similar to any other nail polish remover that you might have tried. This is the only one that I have tried for gel polish. I actually have a remover for full cover tips. Wow, I couldn't say that. But this one is strictly for gel polish. So let me give you some info about this because I'm going to real time this, you guys. This is a fairly long video for what I'm just doing, but I wanted to demo the reality that is because it's not that long if you can spare yourself 15-20 minutes, really. So like I said, you're going to buff the top layer off and you're going to allow this to soak. I actually let this soak the first round for 10 minutes. Usually you should leave it to soak for 15. I get impatient because that's just who I am. Try it at 15, see if it's all in one go. It always depends on how many layers your nail polish is, how great you buff your nail to where the top coat is off. If you don't see that it's not working, you really need to try harder to remove that top coat. Maybe it's a thick top coat, you never know. Especially if you went to a salon and didn't do it yourself and you don't know. So I'm going to let this sit for 10 minutes. And then you'll see me, I'll start scraping it off. And then I put it in for another, I think it ends up being like 6 or 7 minutes. But I might time lapse the second part. Okay, so let's talk about this gel polish remover. It's easy and quick, and I guarantee it. Like, it works. I wouldn't be presenting it otherwise. I saved this video for a couple of weeks, and I definitely wanted to put it out. So it removes the nail polish, it reduces grinding, it doesn't hurt your nails. The nail surface will automatically burst after 2 to 5 minutes, and you'll see it in the video, which I think is super cool. You can see it right now, it's bubbling. It reminds me of, I used to watch a lot of DIY, like HGTV stuff, where they redo houses and stuff like that, and then they'll remove layers of paint if they're trying to restore pieces here and there, and they'll put something on it, and like, I don't know, paint remover obviously, and you can see it bubble. Well, you can see it bubble right before your eyes right there, especially on the index and the pinky. Okay, so it's non-irritating at all. Other ones that I have tried, like I said, I only tried one other. Before this I had not tried it. This is the first. Varnail's gel polish remover was the first one that I've ever tried. I did try one after, but this one is definitely what I personally love. So this is non-irritating. Extract natural plant ingredients. It's non-irritating. You don't have to worry about damaging your natural nails. As you see, my nails have been on a roll lately. Don't want to ruin those. It's healthy and environmentally friendly, and you can easily remove the gel polish. So you save time and money. So there's two products you can pick from this. This is about $10. If you use my discount code, it's 25% off. If you choose the other option, which comes with the cuticle pusher that you can use to scrape off, I mean, really, you can get, if you don't have one already, you can get it on Amazon with something else, maybe, I don't know. But if you want it together with this, which seems very convenient, it'll be $13. And again, it's my discount code will get you 25% off. But yeah, save time and money. Magic Gel Polish Remover. Magic indeed. Home users can easily remove nail polish at home at any time. No need to go to a professional nail salon. So you are saving coins by doing this. If you're a person that normally goes to the salon and just wants something, I mean, now, this is if you have it on your natural nails. If you have extensions, there's a lot more process that goes along with it that this gel polish remover is not gonna do. So if you just have it on your natural nails, save yourself $25 or whatever. I don't know, I haven't been to a salon in a long time. But versus the $10 that you can use over and over again to remove, I don't know how many times, but you know, obviously until the bottle runs out. But anyway, it's suitable for nail types, easily removes the nail polish, gel or UV oil acrylic nails. Oh, okay. So it says that, ooh, gel extension nails. I take that all back. I'm going to have to try this out, you guys. There might be a part 2 video of this because it is stating in their description on their website, easily removes the nail polish, gel or UV oil, acrylic nails, etc., gel extension nails. It is recommended to polish first. It will take longer than ordinary nail polish. Okay, well that makes sense. It'll take longer. But listen, I mean, I'm all pro Varnail, but if you have full cover tips that has like, it all depends on the glue too. Some glues are horrendous. But on my, there's this other system I use. I mentioned it before. That stuff removes full cover tips like no other. But since you're stating this, Varnail, I'm going to have to try it. So hopefully I don't forget. Maybe you guys can remind me down the road if you don't see it. A comment below. But yeah, I'm going to have to try this gel polish remover on extensions. So, gel extension nails. Does that mean polygel? Full cover tips? Full gel cover? I don't know. We'll see. Anywho, okay, so how to use. You nail file to remove the top coat on the nail surface. Oh, you can see that it's cracking. And I'm squeezing it because it kind of moves your nail. And you can feel it, like, popping off. It's pretty cool. Anyway, okay, so remove the top coat on the nail surface. Check. You can first apply a layer of nail latex tape or nail cuticle oil on your nail cuticle surrounding to protect your nail skin from the nail remover. So that actually, I have both. You could probably do both. I didn't do that here. And then apply the nail remover to the polished nail surface. Okay. Apply a thin layer of the surface of the nail. If the nail polish is too thick, apply a thick layer depending on the thickness. Yes, as I mentioned, it all depends on the thickness of your whoever or yourself applied for your nails. The nail surface will burst 3 to 5 minutes. Remove the residual nail polish gently with a small steel pusher, and finally peel off the protective nail latex tape. I think I demoed that in a live maybe, or in another video. You should definitely try out their peel off. So again, if you buy those items individually, I think my discount code will work. It doesn't work for bundles, boxes, or clearance, you know, normal stuff from site to site. But anyway, let's see. All right, depending on the hardness and thickness and degree, the degree of the burst and time will be different, of course. And then, of course, warnings, keep out of reach of children. Always avoid skin contact wherever possible when it comes to any chemical. And then feel lightly tight after. It'll feel lightly tight after application, which is normal. Okay. So that is that for this. And I'm not too sure. This is the first time around, so I guess I didn't talk for 10 minutes. But we're nearing that time, so. I am a brand ambassador for Varnail, as you may or may not know. So I'll leave a link for this actual product in the description box below. Use that link. It'll definitely help me out, and I greatly appreciate your support. And then, like I said, this is a regular item, so you could probably use my 25% discount code. They do have specials too. If you have an order that's over $69, you get a free gift, and that's always great. I use that all the time, even when I get my own stuff. So it's always nice to get a freebie. And also I think there's free shipping too. I usually say it on their website, but it might say it on their checkout, but I don't know. Okay, free shipping for orders over $39.99. So those are two things you definitely want to check out. Oh, okay. Hurry. I'm looking at their website now, which is why. But it says, hurry up, free gift with purchase. Cart over $69. The freebie is a mystery gel polish they're doing. Normally, I've received like stickers or brushes, but apparently what they're doing now is gel polishes. So that's actually really nice. Cart over $189 gets a cat's eye gel set. So I've gotten to that point one time, so that's always good to have too. Yeah, and then I'm not sure if you've seen my community post, but they do have this new product, you guys. It is hold on, it's like I have to backtrack. It is 3-in-1 platinum cat's eye gel. So there's a limited sale. It's 56% off, and it's 8 pots of beautiful, like glittery, shimmery gels in their cat's eye. So definitely jump on that, because their pot gels, I don't remember how much they are individually, but you end up paying $27.99 for that. So to get 8 pot gels, that's a good sale right there, and it just dropped. So I'm gonna be demoing that. I don't know when, like in a couple of weeks or something like that. So that's gonna be fun. I've never seen a pot gel that's a cat's eye. So you know me and my cat's eyes. I'm definitely all about checking them out, because sometimes you hit some good ones that you just fall in love with. So I'm really looking forward to that. But anyway, so I am gonna do this second part here. No, this is the first part. We are scraping off. This is after 10 minutes. I couldn't wait the 15, because that's just who I am. After I scrape this off, because I've already been talking my head off now, I'm going to time lapse the second part, which was, again, I think about 6 or 7 minutes. I was going to do another 10, but I got impatient again, and it got shorter because I cut it off at the 6th or 7th minute mark. But as you can see, guys, minimal pressure. You know it's good when you're not having to scrape it off. You don't want that. And I didn't scrape off what I felt needed extra pressure, because I was just going to do it again. So here I am, just placing it on top of this nail again, because I felt like this section needed a little more time. You never want to force it, because then you'll damage your nail. Sometimes the scrapers are really good, and I've done this to myself, and the scraper will cut into your nail. I got a cut that way, which is, a strange way to get a cut, to be honest. But yeah, it'll happen. So don't force it. Scrape off what comes off. Like the website said, you may require more thickness of the nail polish remover or longer time, or both, depending on how thick the nail is. I think when I did this set, we can check back in my videos if you know that video. I think I might have put 2 or 3 coats on this, and the top coat was thick. So, and I thought that was bizarre because I thought that like the base coat would be thicker. I'm not saying the top coat's on here, but I was just mentioning that because I thought about it. But anyway, yeah, as I'm scraping this off, I'm just putting more, and that's probably adding the time, which is, like I said, around 6-7 minutes. But yeah, after this, I'm just gonna stop talking and time lapse it and pick it up where I'm at, because as I edit these videos, like, I really know where I'm at, and then when I time lapse a video, I think I'm in one place and then I'm not. So yeah, but I love this part. The reveal is awesome because my nails have been just so good lately. So good enough that I've had comments on them. So yeah, I've been cultivating it. You know, this is a very rare sight to see, but I've been kind of really good to myself with diet, supplements, and well, actually trying to sleep better and not using chemicals. I've been wearing my gloves, doing these videos for the most part. But yeah, all right, let's time lapse this. Okay, so I've got about 2 more minutes left of this video. So I did time lapse this. You're gonna see it like all wrinkle real fast. But this, like I said, was about 6-7 minutes. So altogether with the scraping and the applying of the nail polish remover, yeah, I would say 15 minutes to 20 minutes is a safe bet. And I did base coat, 2 gel coats. I'm guessing, I mean, if you can look back at the video that I did using these colors, it's either 2 or 3. And then there's the top coat, which isn't there anymore. So yeah, with all that time of removing everything, I would say this took me, I guess, 20 minutes. So yeah. So I'm glad that I'm able to show this to you guys because I know there's so many out there. I know that I've seen videos of different brands out there, but I have not seen one of Varnail yet. So I am proud to be that guy. No, I'm proud to be able to present this to you guys. I wouldn't become a brand ambassador for something that I didn't like, and I stand by what this product can do, and you can see that my natural nails are slowly showing up and showing out. And as I forget to mention, this video is actually in place of my Night at the Improv episode, so I apologize again. Last week I did the collab. I'm amazed that I actually got that one out, and the dailies and everything, but it's just been a little trying the past week and a half. So hopefully I'll be able to get back to normal next week with my regular episodes live and my dailies. It's a lot, but I'm just, a little hiccup this week. But, what can you do? So, but I thank you for your patience and all your support. And I am really happy, though, that I am doing this video in place of Night of the Improv, because look at this reveal, you guys. I mean, all you need to do is just nail cleanse the little bits. I did buff the nail a little bit to make sure that any little crumbles were out of the way. And then I applied some cuticle oil. But here's the end result, you guys. So thank you so much for watching. This is Isms by Josie. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos. And I'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.